That ILJ file is intermediate linking data from a Borland C++ compilation, a transitional file generated between compiling and producing the final executable. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you manage or troubleshoot these compiler intermediate files. If the standard fixes fail, I have a plan B, a proprietary technique that almost always works on stubborn ILJ files. ILJ files are intermediate linker files generated by Borland C++ Builder during the compilation and linking process. They contain temporary linking data, object code references, and symbol resolution information used by the incremental linker to speed up rebuild operations. Borland ILJ files use a proprietary binary format, storing incremental linking state, including object module references, symbol tables, relocation data, and library dependency information. They enable faster subsequent builds by preserving linking state between compile sessions. The optimal viewer for the ILJ format is generally considered to be Embarcadero C++ Builder from Embarcadero Technologies. The operating system flags this file type as risky without specialized handlers. Windows shows the text content, yet running them requires proper tools and caution. Let's proceed with the compatibility verification. Right-click the ILJ file and select Open With. Test Embarcadero C++ Builder if it appears. If not, choose another program. Different software handles the ILJ format's nuances differently. If the ILJ file is still refusing to open, it's expected. We've established the file is difficult. Take immediate action by running these 3 essential quick troubleshooting procedures. First, understanding the file. ILJ files are build artifacts automatically generated by the Borland C++ compiler and linker. They do not need to be opened or edited manually. They reside in the project output directory alongside OBJ files and the final executable during development. Next, cleaning build artifacts. To perform a clean rebuild, in C++ Builder, navigate to Project then Build All, which regenerates all intermediate files, including ILJ files. Alternatively, delete ILJ files manually from the project output directory to force a complete relinking on the next build. Finally, troubleshooting link errors. If incremental linking produces errors, delete the ILJ file to reset the linker state and rebuild the project. Corrupted ILJ files from interrupted builds can cause linking failures. A clean build resolves most incremental linking issues by regenerating all intermediate data. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools available at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.